Hello, this is Mr. Charles here. I'm going to do a short tutorial for my students on how to copy links, paste links, and turn them into links so that other people can click them and go to those sites. So I'm going to start. We're going to go to YouTube. And I'm going to pretend that I need to find information. How to be a good teacher. That's great. What makes a good teacher great? Oh, I like the cartoon. All right, let's go to this cartoon. Let's pretend... Oh, that's an ad. Doesn't matter. Let's pretend this... I watch this video and I'm like, oh, this is such good information. I need to share this with myself. Oh, wait a minute. That's a little bit metacognitive, but that's fine. And I want people to check it out. So I'm going to press Ctrl+C. You're going to press the Control button and the C button. Ctrl+C. The other way you can do it is click on Share. And you can go down to Copy. That works too. Now I'm going to go to Google Drive. I could go to Canva. I go to any sort of shared file. But I'm going to go to Google Drive. I'm going to go to New Google Slide. There we go. And I'm going to click on right here. I'm actually going to paste it. Wow, that is a long URL. Now, I could just share this with myself or with whoever I want to share with, but if I click on it, it doesn't go anywhere. I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it into a link. Oh, before I do that, let's review how I pasted it. Ctrl+V. Okay, I'm going to show you again. Ctrl+V. Also, I press Ctrl+Z to undo something. So if you ever make a mistake, Ctrl+Z undoes it. So Ctrl+V, but I want to make it a live link. So I'm going to go live link, and I'm going to press Ctrl+K. Oh, it's a link. It's a link. So that, my friends, is how you copy links. That is how you paste links. And that is how you make it a live link in a document. And now I can share it with whoever I need to share it with. That is all. I hope that helps.